say that it feels right.
Oh, crap. How do I feel? I'm tired of running. Well, I can't stand this of running anymore. But I can't believe I got grounded for doing a bad stuff I did back in 2022. This is so not fair at all. So, what should I do right now? Well, I think I have an awesome plan. I'm going to steal people's truck and crashes it into Dave & Buster's. This will be super cool. Ha 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 ha. Oh look. That was a truck. And everyone can see while they are working. But anyway, now I'm going to steal them and crash it to Dave & Buster's. Ha 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 ha. Now that I steal the truck, now it's time to crash to Dave & Buster's.
Guys. Did you guys see that? I think that some troublemakers are driving the truck.
I know, right, Twist? I heard that the truck sound that was driven. The person who has black hair, white and red jacket, gray pants and yellow shoes. I don't know this could happen.
Oh wait a holy mother freaking second. It was that troublemaker named Ace Lee Wong from Crimson Skull 18. He even literally stole the truck.
Ace did what? Oh my god. Ace is so going to get him when he finds out. And also, he even go to Dave & Buster's as well.
I know, right, Shout. We have to get to our car and we will chase to Ace on the truck and we will call the police on you. So, fresh beats, let's go.
Oh wow. Driving the truck is so fun to go to Dave & Buster's. And I can't wait to crash it. Oh my god. Who was that car beeping? Wait. Oh my freaking god. It's the fresh beep band. I am so screwed and it's going to chase after me.
That's right, Ace. We caught you red-handed for stealing someone's truck without their permission.
Yeah. I agree with you, Twist. You are not going anywhere, Ace Wong.
Oh, crap. I need to get out of here very quickly.
Oh no you don't, Ace. We're coming to get you. Twist, let's accelerate this car.
Okay, Kiki. Let's do it.
Okay, here is another breaking news for everyone to tell you. A person who has white and red jacket goes by the name Ace Wang who stole the truck and crashed into Dave & Buster's. But not only that, the fresh beat band is following Ace to not to chase with them.
Twist. Ace has gotten away. We have to get to him before it's too late.
Well, Ace, so how do you wanna play the game, huh? Let's catch him whether you like it or not.
Oh my god, I can't take this any longer. I have to go faster before it's too late. Well, it's sure to be nice day in here at Dave & Buster's. We are having fun with our friends. And you, Marlon and Jasmine?
Well, yes, we are, Adrian. Me and Jasmine are having fun at Dave and Buster's too.
Yeah. Me and the Marlon are playing the arcade game at Dave and Buster's. This is going to be so much fun in here.
Oh wow, Marlo and Jasmine. You two are so happy that you play an arcade game on Dave and Buster's.
I agree with you, Mom. Me too, Jacob. I like to play game in Dave and Buster's every day. Oh my god, let's get out of here. The truck was about to crash. Oh my god. What was that?
I don't know, Adrian. I think it's something that must be crushed. Let's check to see what happens.
You're right, Lauren.
Oh no! Why is there fire and smoke on the truck?
I don't know. Blake, what happened? Well, I hate to tell you that the Dave and Buster's has burned by the smoke. So, then the people are being safe at here.
Oh, so you were going to get you when we found out who did this.
Wait a minute. Who the freak are you?
Well, to be honest, we are the Fresh Beat Band. I'm Twist, and this is Kiki, Shout, and Marina. And we came here to tell you that someone crashed to Dave and Buster's.
What? I don't know. Maybe someone who could have done this for crashing to Dave and Buster's by a truck.
Well, take a good look at it. I have some evidence that the troublemaker Ace did this. Have a look at something.
Literally stole the truck and crashed into the Dave and Buster's. He is so You're going to get arrested for this. I am so going to call the police on him.
Oh my god. Why is that raging to troublemaker Ace that he steals a truck and crashes into Dave and Buster's?
I know, right, Christopher? Ace needs to get to the prison because of this.
Same here.
What the heck? How did the Dave and Buster's got crashed by a truck? There is a lot of fire and smokes in there.
I don't know, Stacy. This cannot be happening that Ace has ever done in the first place.
I agree with you there, Stacy and Brandon.
Oh well, I guess I just have to go anywhere because I couldn't find the place I have been looking to. Oh my god. Oh. It's the police. I'm so dead.
That's right, Ace Wong. You are under arrest for stealing truck and crashing into Dave and Buster's. I have no choice but get into the police car. You are going to be in dead meat.
Oh my god. Just freaking wow, Ace. We can't even believe you steal someone's truck and crashes into Dave and Buster's. This has got to be the worst thing you ever did.
And we thought you not to leave the house while grounded, but no, you didn't listen to us.
But Mom, Dad, Haley, and Ruby, I feel like I'm so bored. So I decided to steal the truck and crashes into Dave and Buster's. Can you please bail us out?
Absolutely not, Ace. We will not bail you out because you steal a truck and crashes into Dave and Buster's.
I agree with you, Haley.
And for doing that, you are grounded until you get out of jail on St. Patrick's Day on March.
Now we are out of here. We never want to see your face ever again.